What's up, guys? For this video, we will draw a puppy. Puppies are young dogs, typically up to 1 year old, known for their playful, curious, and energetic behavior. They require special care and attention, including proper nutrition, regular veterinary checkups, socialization, and training. Puppies are born blind, deaf, and toothless. They rely entirely on their mother for warmth and nutrition. They spend most of their time sleeping and feeding during this period. Raising a puppy can be demanding, requiring patience, time, and commitment, but it's incredibly rewarding. They'll rely on you for everything, from learning good behavior to feeling safe in their environment. The bond you develop with a puppy can be one of the most fulfilling aspects of pet ownership.